crazy.
I mean, there's.
What is it? Let me see. Ah. Oh, whoa. Keep it PG for YouTube. Wait a minute, dude. Holy. Woo. What's going on, guys? So it's like day 2 in the house. We have crap literally everywhere. Keaton's back. We got a Tucker in here. Holy, oh my goodness, there's a tidy whitey. So today, Hannah, what are we doing today? What we about to do?
We are gonna do Skyline things.
Skyline things? What Skyline things are we doing?
We are installing a steering wheel.
Woo, sheesh! This Momo steering wheel right here. So, if we come out this way, so this is like through like our little shop here, or through our little like room, I don't even know which one to call this. Out into the shop, we have the Skyline. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the garage. WD-40. Holy nutsack. But dude, whew, there's my baby, goodness gracious. But we got some fans going in here because it's 90. Look at this, dude. It is 96. Did I say 96? 96 degrees in Texas right now. Whew, sheesh. But here is the Skyline. So here is this old, like, look how crusty this Momo steering wheel is, dude. So Hannah wants to go for, so obviously as you guys can see, the car is like, it's blue. It's kind of dirty right now. We're definitely going to be cleaning this thing soon. But so Hannah's going for a red like accent color on her Skyline, and so the Momo steering wheel that she purchased is, if you guys see, it has red stitching all along the sides, and I think you plan on doing like red seats too, yeah?
Yeah.
So red seats eventually. So, and she's still trying to decide if she wants to do either white wheels, or we went to like an imports night that had black wheels, and we might do black wheels on the car too. Not entirely sure about that, but yeah, this is the car. So honestly, Hannah, if we take off this steering wheel, if anyone wants it, have them hit me up in the email, maybe buy it. If any of you watching, I mean, it's kind of crusty, but I mean, you might be able to peel it off and reupholster it. I don't know. If any of you guys want this, it came with the car. There it is. Hit me up. Email right there on the screen. You guys can buy that if you want it. Woohoo! Lady mechanic in his bee, you know what I'm saying?
It's a bunch of screws, but yeah.
I mean, we still taking it off. Woo!
What?
Yeah, don't lose them.
I'm going to.
Put it right in here.
Well, no, this thing doesn't have
Oh.
the whole hole that it used to.
Screws right in here. She's uninstalling that there. We're gonna make sure the battery, disconnect this battery right here so we don't break the car. So the first challenge was finding an Allen key that could actually fit into the steering wheel. Managed to find it, and that's what she's using now. Keaton's gonna go grab the pliers, or I guess just bigger wrench that we have, so that way we can unscrew the battery since we're messing with electrical stuff. So, get in there, boy.
Oh dang, I got that way too big. Yeah, that should be enough.
Just don't lose it, right? Back to the steering wheel. Ooh, little ring fell off. There it is. Oh god. It's not a job for the uncoordinated, I guess.
Not really. Alright, so then there's the steering wheel. They didn't even have this connected.
So the horn didn't even work.
Yeah.
I thought we tried it and it did.
I'm not like that.
I think thought we tried it and it worked. I don't know.
Well, it definitely doesn't. And I thought it the harness would have been, or the connection wire would have been right here, but it's not. So we don't have a horn.
Woo. But that new.
Ooh.
Look at this thing. This thing is so much better, so much cleaner.
So we don't really need this.
Is there nowhere to connect it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Usually there's a cable right here that comes like in here. And there's just none at all.
How would we take this off? Would we have to?
This big one right
Do
here.
we want to try taking it out to see if there's a connection right there?
We can.
Okay.
Do we have? Do you have to torque spec it or no? I don't remember.
I think you tightened it.
I did earlier, but now I'm loosening it. I just did it to make sure that it was the right size.
Nice. So yeah, it looks like they cut this wire and then just like heat shrinked it. So if we went, do you think we could just go to like Harbor Freight, get wire cutters to take this off, and then solder the cable from your new horn to this?
Well,
Or would we just unplug this? Would we just unclip this and plug in your new one? Would your new one plug in there? Where's that
no,
cable?
it doesn't plug.
Could cut it off. I mean, if you don't.
I mean, I feel like we should go, before we cut anything, I feel like we should get wire cutters if we're going to mess with anything.
Could. I have this for now. Just cause. I should be able to fray. I'll practice.
I mean, shouldn't we play it safe and get wire cutters? I don't know, bro.
Works. You can.
I mean,
I cut one wire anyways with these, so sharp enough. Didn't mean to. So I could do this, because that's not going to fit anyways.
Yeah, it looks like that might have been like heat shrink on.
We're trying to spend the least amount of money possible. Yeah, so we can.
It's just twisted in there, right? It's like just stripped and twisted in there.
It's like folded on, but yeah, these are. So the wires are there. If you can just open that up a little bit, that's the easiest way to do it.
Yeah, I see that.
yeah. Bro, I'm sweating too, trust.
Yeah, big trust.
We have to make a run to Harbor Freight.
So we're doing a quick trip to Home Depot.
Yep, Home Depot.
Home Depot. We gotta get this end right here, this wire connector, and we gotta put it on the horn so Hannah can pass inspection. So we gotta do this real quick, and they're gonna close here in like 10 minutes. So we are racing against the clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might need to fold this side so it doesn't like.
Here we go. Got it. Victory.
Boom. High five.
18 gauge.
Boom.
Once you get it in.
Oh, you'll
should be
crimp it
able-
down?
yeah, you
Okay.
can use it
It's
here.
just a crimp. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I didn't. I forgot that this part is like just a crimp. Okay. Sweet. I need it to like touch another, right? Good. Yeah, I think that's. Yeah.
Boom.
I don't have a heat gun, so.
Yeah. I mean, you could technically use like your dryer.
Yeah, I could, but it's not gonna be hot enough fast enough to.
Boom. So
But I just crimped
we
it.
basically stripped the wire and got like there was like a heat shrink on it already, so we cut it off and then we exposed the wire and then got the connector added there
And then just crimped the connection.
and then crimped the connection. Boom.
Easy. This tool does everything. Cutter, which crimper. Yeah, and this does something too. I just don't know what this does.
Nice.
I think this measures it.
So
Is it flush?
yeah, just get it all the way in there.
And
Because we're connecting this one
to
this, it says on that, and then that should be good there.
And then
Oh, here's the new one.
oh, this.
Is it loose?
Yeah, it's pretty loose.
Do you have the tool still? You can probably try to.
Oh god. Oh god. No.
Ooh. They're straight.
Yeah, they're straight.
You could probably turn it just a little bit if you want to try to get it centered.
They're slightly too. Yeah, no, you're gonna be good. I think when you, because this one looks a little in.
Okay, so cause I can do it here.
All right, so we're fixing the steering wheel right now. Wait, how is there still? Oh, it's your phone. I was like, how's there still light, bro? I was like, what the heck? So, we have to take the center piece out of the steering wheel because it's not lined up correctly. So the steering wheel is like a little off center, like it's a little sideways. But Hannah screwed whatever this is in really freaking tight, so we can't get it out. So I had to make a Walmart run. We got some lubricant, SuperTech lubricant. We also have some like WD-40 down over here. And then there was like another thing that I bought. I don't know, it's like some oil stuff. We also ended up purchasing 3-in-1 like multi-purpose oil. It's like lubricating and stuff. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing out of there so that way we can put the wheel on the correct way, because apparently there's a couple of different ways that you can twist that thing in the middle. So we're gonna try to get it lined up so that way the wheel's straight. So, but the horn does work, confirmed. We just gotta put this on now.
So we had to make our own like wiring makeshift. This is a little janky, but it works. I just put it in this casing right here. Just like stick it in there, and it should just stay. Yeah. Okay. It's our makeshift grounding, so it actually would the horn will work.
Installing steering wheels. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, baby.
JDM steering wheels. I haven't got the pizza yet.
Tucker!
Still waiting. Tucker's like, yo, dude, hey. Let's go. Let's go, Hannah. What little plate?
One that goes up.
It's on the other seat. It was with the steering wheel.
I see it. Honestly, like, you don't really need it.
I mean, if you don't want to put it on, don't put it on. Just screw it in.
But I don't want to scratch the steering.
But I mean, you're going to put a plate over there later. You're going to get a black one, so it doesn't matter.
Using logic out there.
Yo, dude, so like what? This has been like 3 hours later. First time installing a steering wheel on a Nissan Skyline. It came with some learning curves for sure, but we finally got it. And the horn works, which means we can pass inspection.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
So yeah, that plate, we can either paint that plate black or just order another one.
Yeah.
So that'll be cool. Taking back over. We're no longer in Keaton cam. We're in Austin cam. So yeah, dude.
It's gonna be a lot better now.
So you on the camera, you have this little thing right here that you can spin, and it zooms it in and out because it's a wide-angle lens. So, but yeah.
What are you doing, Tucker?
We got Pooches, we got a Tidy, we got a Tucker, and we got JDM cars, and we got pizza coming. Let's see if the pizza man's here, dude. Run me my pizza, bro. Where is the pizza man? Where is it, bro? Where's my pizza? We're waiting. right. Let's come back this way. So see how the steering wheel installation is going. Whew. Sheesh.
I think we need to test out the steering wheel.
Until
You
I
know,
get
take it for a test drive or something. Dang. Okay, so now the last thing we gotta do is we gotta put the battery. We gotta put the thing back on the battery over here, right? Right. It's hella dark, but like we're just gonna do this. Boom. I think is it in the car or is it that one?
Yeah, it's this one.
Nice. Tighten that back up on the battery.
Oh, that one we didn't do.
Yeah, we just ended that one. Okay, all right, Hannah. You should be good. I think I just heard the door, I'm not sure. Nope, no pizza yet. What the fudge? Where's my pizza?
Pizza's here?
No, I said, where is it?
Oh.
All right, hood's down. Steering wheel is on home. Come to the passenger seat. Dude. All right, let's test it. We got to make sure the horn works. Whew. Sheesh. Dang. This is 3 hours and a lot of sweat later.
Mostly just because it's hot outside.
Yeah, Texas be bussin'.
Oh.
Clapping?
Maybe that doesn't be tight enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure the horn works.
Yeah.
Oh, it's locked, isn't it?
Oh, so you have to like, it's to the right. It's to the right. You have to do that and turn it. Yeah. You have to turn the wheel to the right. No, and start it. You have to do both.
I'm trying, but like, here you go.
So let it go real quick.
Oh, what did we just do? That does not sound good. We got lights on in here. All right, Hannah. The new Momo steering wheel has been installed. We took off the little center plate because the one that she had was silver. We want a black one, so she took it off for now. But we're probably gonna get a black one ordered and put it right here. But here we go.
It doesn't look bad like this.
Yeah. Test it. Wow.
I checked it.
The wire needs to get fixed. Wow. It's one thing after another, bro. One thing after another.
At least this is less work, I guess.
Run over my foot.
Oh! What the heck? Yo! What?
Now it works.
Yo, wait a minute,
I
bro.
guess it just needed a little.
He needed a little pick-me-up. He needed a little tickle. He was like, tickle me,
We
daddy.
didn't know how much we wanted it.
It was like,
Saw
tickle
how
me.
sad we were.
Where do you have to hit it? Where do you have to beep it?
Just right here.
Does it matter?
Gotta touch it right.
So the wire is like semi-working.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Gotta get that wire better.
Well, so we're probably gonna have to adjust the wire, but for now, it works. New steering wheel installed. So tomorrow, probably when you get home, we'll have to probably take it for a test drive. A little test drive around the block. And Keaton, wherever he is, he's gonna be teaching us. He's gonna be the one teaching us how to drive manual. So yeah. So we're probably gonna wrap it for tonight. We're definitely gonna be bringing some more Skyline content. We obviously have to test drive the new steering wheel. Okay. So Hannah, go ahead and send him off.
Where do you go? Oh.